Welcome to Social Quiz Corner. Get ready for the MCQ quiz part 1 on agriculture, perfect for your exams preparation. The word agriculture is derived from the Latin words ager or agri meaning soil and culture meaning what? A. Rearing, B. Processing, C. Cultivation, D. Extraction. C is the right answer. Which of the following is an example of a tertiary activity? A. Agriculture. B. Weaving of cloth. C. Manufacturing of steel. D. Banking. The correct answer is D. Banking. The land specifically used for growing crops is known as A. Pasture land. B. Fertile land. C. Arable land. D. Agricultural land. The correct answer is C. Question number 4. Which of these is a primary activity? A. Baking of bread. B. Mining. C. Advertising. D. Insurance. The right answer is B. Mining. Question number 5. What percentage of the world's population is engaged in agricultural activity? A. 2/3. B. 25%. C. 50%. D. 75%. The right answer is C. 50%. Question number 6. The commercial rearing of silkworms is called A. Pisciculture. B. Horticulture. C. Sericulture. D. Viticulture. The right answer is C. Sericulture. Question number 7. Which factors are most important for farming? A. Trade and transport. B. Soil and climate. C. Rearing livestock and flowers. D. Manufacturing and processing. The right answer is B. Soil and climate. Question number 8. Which economic activity deals with processing natural resources? A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Tertiary. D. Quaternary. The right answer is B. Secondary. Question number 9. If a farmer decides to start growing grapes for commercial sale, they would be engaging in A. Sericulture. B. Viticulture. C. Horticulture. D. Pisciculture. The right answer is B. Viticulture. Question number 10. Which type of economic activity provides support to the primary and secondary sectors through services? Option A. Primary. Option B. Secondary. Option C. Tertiary. Option D. Extraction. The correct answer is Option C. Tertiary. Question 11. Why is fishing considered a primary activity? Option A. It involves processing. Option B. It provides a service. Option C. It involves extraction of natural resources. Option D. It supplements the farmer's income. The correct answer is Option C. Question 12. The definition of horticulture includes growing all of the following, except Option A. Vegetables. Option B. Flowers. Option C. Fruits. Option D. Crops like wheat or rice. The correct answer is option D. Question 13. Farming is divided into subsistence and commercial types based on which factors? A. Soil and water. B. Geography, labor, and technology. C. Rainfall and temperature. D. Market and transport. The correct answer is B. Question 14. Which type of farming is mainly done to meet the needs of the farmer's family? A. Commercial farming. B. Subsistence farming. C. Organic farming. D. Intensive farming. The correct answer is B. Subsistence farming. Correct answer is B. Question 15. Which farming is common in densely populated monsoon regions of Asia? A. Shifting cultivation. B. Extensive farming. C. Intensive farming. D. Nomadic herding. Answer: C. Intensive farming. Question 16. The terms shifting cultivation and nomadic herding are types of which farming? A. Intensive subsistence farming. B. Commercial farming. C. Primitive subsistence farming. D. Organic farming. The correct answer is C. Primitive. Question 17. Shifting cultivation is also known by which other name? A. Nomadic herding. B. Slash and burn agriculture. C. Intensive agriculture. D. Horticulture. The correct answer is B. Slash. Question 18. Match the following names of shifting cultivation. 1. Northeast India. 2. Mexico. 3. Brazil. 4. Malaysia. A. Milpa. B. Roka. C. Ladang. D. Jhumming. The correct answer is A. Question 19. Which characteristic defines organic farming? A. Use of high technology. B. Commercial production. C. Use of organic manure and natural pesticides. D. Genetic modification. Answer: C. Question 20. Nomadic herding is practiced primarily in at the monsoon regions of Southeast Asia. B. Thickly forested areas of Northeast India. C. Semi-arid and arid regions. D. Areas with high levels of technology. Answer: C. Question 21. Which farming uses simple tools and more labor on a small land to feed the family? A. Primitive subsistence farming. B. Nomadic herding. C. Intensive subsistence agriculture. D. Commercial grain farming. Answer: A. Question 22. What is the main aim of commercial farming? A. To meet family needs. B. To produce organic food. C. For sale in the market. D. To use household labor. Answer is C. Question 23. Mixed farming uses land for crops and also for what? A. Shifting cultivation. B. Horticulture. C. Rearing livestock. D. Only cash crops. Answer: C. Rearing livestock. Question 24. Which is a major fiber crop? A. Rice. B. Tea. C. Cotton. D. Maize. Answer: C. Cotton. Question 25. Which country is a leading producer of rice? A. Argentina. B. China. C. Canada. D. Australia. Answer B. China. Please comment your score. Thank you for watching.